Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your COMODITÀ Avanti. The first thing you need to do is get all the components out of the box. In the box you're going to find the walker itself, the user guide, and 3 additional boxes. One for the knobs and cup holder, one for the tray, and the bigger box for the front wheels. So make sure that you get everything out of the boxes to make the assembly process go a little easier. Now that you got all the components out of the boxes, we're going to start with the front wheels. Make sure that your walker is flat on the ground with the back wheels touching the floor. Get one wheel at a time and slide the structure of the wheel inside the structure of the walker. Make sure that the front wheel stays on the outside of the back wheel. Slide it in gently. Make sure you hear the clicking sound. Do the same thing with the other side. Once both wheels are attached, lift your walker up and open it. Make sure you open it all the way and then lock the shopping basket. Hear a clicking sound, make sure that everything is in, and then lock your walker by pushing this part down. Now, all you have to do is adjust the handle height. For that, you are going to need the knobs that came with the cup holder. Here are mine. You're going to lift the handle until the desired height, and then attach the knobs when you're ready. I have chosen my desired height, and now I'm going to add the knob on one side, and then on the other side. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to attach the cup holder in the frame. And add the tray. Your Avanti is ready to go. Enjoy!